Hello everyone and welcome to this review on Faye Travel Insurance. So in this video, we'll be telling you everything you need to know about Faye, from the pricing plans, customer service, reviews, pros and cons, and at the end, you'll be leaving with enough information on this travel insurance service. So stick around to the end and let's begin. Faye is actually the brand name for customizable travel protection plans offered by a company called Zenor Inc. Its website notes that it specializes in quick reimbursements, which can be a big draw for travelers. Faye's policies are underwritten by the United States Fire Insurance Company. With offices around the globe, Faye provides access through a network of telemedicine doctors in 21 languages. Faye covers you on domestic, international, and cruise trip options. When compared with other insurance companies, Faye offers just one plan. And on coverage, we'll be going over an example to help you see what could be in a given trip. So to give you a hands-on experience on Faye, we decided to generate an insurance quote for a 40-year-old traveler going to France from Connecticut named John Bent. John Bent will be spending 2 weeks in France. So here we'll put in his destination, start and end of the trip, where he lives, and of course his first name and last name, date of birth, and email address. After processing, the trip would cost $2,000 with a $156.55 fee to get protected, and you can see the details of your policy and digest the information. There are other add-ons you may wish to add to your quote. For example, John Bent wants to add a car rental care on a number of days in his trip. So he clicks on the plus icon, selects the dates, and adds to the plan. This is reflected immediately on the quote and he considers the other add-ons. Faye also has an app for easy use with a user-friendly interface which can be downloaded in the App Store or Play Store. On customer service, we can say that Faye's customer service are fluid. With options to chat, call, or send an email, you'll be assured of a 24/7 customer support option. And now to the cons. Now, with a 4.7 over 5-star rating on Trustpilot, it could be near impossible to find a con. However, some may find the rates on offer for Faye to be a bit pricey and maybe a drawdown if that's outside your budget. Now, even if you purchase a very comprehensive travel insurance policy, there are still situations where you're not covered. This may include anything relating to bad weather such as hurricanes, intentionally self-inflicted injuries, expenses incurred while under the influence of drugs or alcohol, high-risk sports for which you are paid, psychological disorders unless you are hospitalized, war and act of war, illegal acts, and if you choose to pilot or learn to pilot or act as a crew of an aircraft, you will not be covered for anything related to that event. Faye is a clear favorite among travelers and the features of their policies are appealing. If you're on a tight budget, Faye may be a challenge, but with the options and services rendered, we hope that you're now informed on Faye's travel insurance. Let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.